Hi, and thanks for watching this short video presentation. I am Brett Bolton from Bolton Gems, and today I'm going to give you a brief introduction of our new jewellery repair application called cadjewellery.com.au. This application is designed not only to cut down the time in recording the repair jobs before you send them to our workshop, but to also give you advanced tracking of the job history, and of course job photos saved for every record. It also automatically sends a confirmation email to you after you've finished entering the job, and an advanced print card giving you all the information you need to send the job off to our workshop and to also keep a copy in store. We're also currently working on version 2, where you can not only send jobs to Bolton Gems, but also have a choice of sending to your existing local repairers. It has advanced job editing, retail price quoted to your customer, and also the option of entering a wholesale price quoted to assist you in keeping your repairs to budget, as well as an optional SMS function to message your customers when a job is received and also when it's completed and ready for collection. You'll be able to search the history of all jobs underneath your customer's name, date, and when it was left for repair, price quoted, even before and after photos of the repair, and most importantly, who you sent it off to repair. So let's begin on how to get started in our CAD Jewellery website. As you can see here, I've logged into cadjewellery.com.au, and if you call the office now, we can issue you with your username and password, and that will be up and running in around about 15 minutes. Enter your username here and of course password and press submit. So this is my testing account, as you can see from the error message that came up before. It has my details over this side, so testing account, and the location of my testing account. So this will be very handy if you have multiple stores. To enter a new jewellery job, it's as simply as following the prompts here. If you require evaluation, it's just a tick box. The type of jewellery repair, so again, it's a drop-down list of quote, make or repair. So this time we'll choose repair. This is where you enter your customer's name. So today we'll just enter test, and a telephone number, which we later used for the SMS functions directly to your consumer. The jewellery type being repaired, so whether it be a ring, pendant, necklace, etc. So this time we're going to choose earrings. Select a metal type. I'm going to choose some earrings that I've got here to be fixed, so 18 karat gold. And a condition of the item, so this time it's a new item. Resize from and resize to, so if you're sending us resizes, it's very important the resize to is you always enter H for, in this case, Helen. We have found Android and Apple devices do autocorrect to just certain letters, so it is best to put a name afterwards and what needs to be repaired. So you can certainly fill in a complete paragraph here. I'm just going to write test to make it very easy today, but that will take a complete paragraph. Moving on to uploading photos. If you're on an Apple or Android device, if you press choose files and then press your photo application, that will open your camera and you can save files directly. If you're on a desktop, all you have to do is open your webcam. As you can see that I've put the earrings here already, and also a dollar coin as a size reference. Take the photo, press choose files, double click on the picture, and that's saved. We also have the sent by option, whether it be hand delivered, express post, TNT or other couriers. So we'll choose express post, and this is where you enter your tracking number. You can also enter a due date for the job just by clicking on there. Brings up the automatic calendar function, so we'll choose the 31st of August today and press submit jewellery for repair. It really is that easy. You can see here it's been successfully submitted, so we press OK, and from this point you can print your job card. So print this job card. You can see my customer's name up the top here is test with their telephone number. This is its unique number, so if you're calling the office, you can give it 122 as a tracking number. For version 1, it's been given to CAD at Boltons, but this is where you'll be able to see multiple different people and also that person's address to make it very easy to post off. Of course, this is all the information in regards to what needs to be repaired, where what needs to be repaired box, that will actually increase in size as it's needed. It attaches a photo automatically. This is where you can have a signature by customer and write any handwritten notes you need. And from here, right click and print. To go back into the main section, just press back and back to main page and you're ready to start your next job. As you can see here, I've tested it twice today, once for my first recording. Not received is now 2. We can press menu and job list, and this will bring up all the jobs that I've got at the moment. Via job number, we can see it's created, the customer details, exactly what it is and what needs to be done, and we can even reprint the job card through detailed view and then print this card, and that opens up your print card list. And we'll close that there. Inside here you have profile and support. The support function will be added very shortly, and that will give the option of a web meeting back to the office here. If you'd like to get started on this, please give the office a call and we'll set you up your unique username and password and have you up and running very quickly. If you have any other questions, please feel free to give us a call, and our number here is 07 3205 6311. Thank you very much for your time today.